The Peter McKinnon backpack is for sure one of the best camera gear backpacks out there. But of course, it comes with a good price tag. Today we're going to showcase a backpack that is a fraction of the price of the Peter McKinnon. It's the Besnfoto travel gear bag. And let's go dive into it. So here we are, guys, with this Besnfoto travel gear bag, the large one. And then, as I've said earlier, I've used this bag for almost a year now. Starting from the outside, this big zipper here is for an extra compartment that can turn as a. You can use this to put inside your some clothes, maybe a couple of shirts in here. Like that when you're not using it. And then outside has the, so this is the, I would say, the when it's raining, this is the bag raincoat, I would say. There you go. It's very nice bag cover, by the way, because it has its own pocket. I mean, it can turn into a small pouch, you know. So always save it here at the side, in the side pocket. There's an extra, in case you're gonna put something in here, so it's an extra support, securing mechanism in there. And there's a zipper in here for the pocket. This is where window where I can put my camera. That pocket goes directly inside and you put for easy access of the camera. And then on the other side, this is where I put my mini tripod. And this is the Ulanzi tripod. I like this because this is the foldable one. And by the way, some of the items here, I put the links in the description below for some of the products. The stuff, the gears that I use in here. I get a small commission, but it takes nothing from you guys. Here is an extra side pocket. This is where I put my iPhone waterproof case in case you go swimming. And then hide it like that. There's an extra outer pouch here. This is where I put my tripod. And then when opening this backpack, and by the way, on the sling, I have my Peak Design camera holder. So when I'm outside, I just hang my camera in here. Then let's go to the inside. Now here we're opening the background. Now here we're opening the compartment. So this is the Besnfoto Weekend Exploration backpack. So in this compartment, you can put your your laptop. And then from here, this is where I put all my
drone accessories, extra propellers, USB. And then here I put all my wire connections. This compartment. This is my gear. So this is where I put the camera that you can access from the side pocket over here. And then this is the GoPro creator mod, and I also have the GoPro to use it underwater. Pair of reading glasses. I have my two lens. I have the Sony 55-210 zoom lens, very affordable zoom lens, so works good with my ZV-E10. ZV-E10 is using the right now with the Yungno 11mm f1.8. Prime lens, and then I have this is my Tamron 17-70. And then I have my drone, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the remote. I also have the extra. This is the lens, and then I have this is the lens, and this I have the ND filter. When you're shooting with your drone, it's ideal to have it with an ND filter. So I use again I usually use the K&F variable ND filter. And then for my audio, in case I use it, when you're shooting a video, audio is always 40%, 40 to 50%. So I have my DJI wireless mic. And by the way, we're shooting right now with the DJI Pocket 3 using the creator combo. And what we have here is the Sony remote tripod. So this is very nice because I could still use it. I can use it as a remote and also a tripod. And then here, this is for the lanyard for the camera. And then by the way, I have here some extra Velcro ties. It's gonna help you a lot, especially when you're only working by yourself, taking videos. So you can use this and you know, sticking or hanging your camera, extra security, or use it for your wires, dangling wires. I have my extra batteries for my drone, and this is my battery charger for my drone, the DJI Mini 3 battery charger. And then I also have here is my microphone. I mean for audio. For audio, I have the Tascam. Have the GoPro accessories here, and then this one too for using it swimming in the water, and this one is for your attachment for your phone when you attach it on the tripod. Battery charger, and then Arca Swiss connector to connect your camera to the tripod. It's more easier like this, so you just easier like this because you just hook your camera and then you can switch it right away. This is the accessory for my DJI. So here I put an extra bag just in case. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. You have a good one.